Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete saved passwords on Chrome. So to do that, let's head over to our Chrome browser. And once you're there, make sure you're logged into your desired account. And then head over to your Chrome tabbing here. And here you'll find the option of passwords and autofill. So tap on passwords and autofill. And here you will find Google Passwords Manager. Head over there. And here you will find all the passwords that are saved in your Chrome. So if you want to delete one of them, you have to head over to anyone. And then you have to tap on delete. And then the password will be deleted. So yeah, this is how you can just delete any password on Chrome. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.